Bearning is bank learning. Engaging online courses and quizzes, accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. Interactive workshops. Bearning offers 3 formats for online education: interactive live online workshops, online e-learning and blended learning. Live workshop is a webinar led by an instructor where all the participants need to be available at the same time. E-learning allows learners to access the information whenever they want and be independent in their learning process. Blended learning is a mixture of both learning formats, live workshops and e-learning. All 3 formats include presentations, quizzes, practical use cases and simulations. With Bearning, the learning is self-paced and easy to maintain. Build your banking expertise with Bearning.